Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 10 SE, and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find system and updates. Now let's tap on language and input and tap on language and region. And as you can see here, we've got our list of currently added languages. We've got only English, so let's tap on add a language, and here we've been transferred to the full list of all available languages from which we can choose. Some of them you can apply right after tapping on them. Sometimes you will have to update them, but that's okay, just tap on update. So basically all you have to do is to simply find the language you'd like to use and tap on it. So let me pick not Dutch, German. Sorry. Here your device will ask you if you really want to change the system language, so just tap on change. And as you can see, the German language immediately appears at the very top of the list, and from now on the whole system, the whole menu will be in the chosen language. If you've got the languages applied on this list here, then you don't have to open the full list of the languages, just tap on the one here. So let me tap on English and it will be immediately changed. If you want to remove the languages from this list, just tap on edit and tap on this X icon right next to the language you'd like to remove. Remember to tap on the tick icon in the right upper corner, and as you can see, we've got only English left. So basically that's all. This is how to change system language in your HUAWEI Nova 10 SE. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.